nila dito sa loob. Dun sa taas.
Cruise ship. Dito kami.
Ha? Wala. Unang birthday yan eh.
Pagod, too much tired.
Ano lang, pangalan at saka number lang.
Sir, hi.
Nilagay mo ng Facebook?
Hello, sir.
This sir already booked ya.
I put in the TikTok.
Yeah. Wala yung TikTok.
Because I'm very busy in my mind. I forget that I have money. Now
Big coffee.